A lot of us will want to spend time with the loved ones this holiday season, and of course that comes the respiratory sicknesses and illnesses going around. Join me here via Zoom is Dr. Sheranda Gunn-Nolan from Sovah Health. Thank you so very much for joining us today, and we want to begin off with that. What are some ways that we can stay healthy this holiday season?
There are some easy steps that can be done to keep you safe. First and foremost, if you're sick, stay home. That's an easy one to do, and it's really difficult as we've missed being together, hugging our loved ones and being able to celebrate the holidays together. But if you are sick or your child is sick, you should really stay home, stay away from others that are ill. The hard part is all of these three viruses can mimic each other, and we hear a lot of people say, well, I think it's just allergies. Get tested. Even if you think it's just allergies, get tested. And if you're sick or running a fever, please stay home. The next big thing is wash your hands. Good cough hygiene and sneeze hygiene. If you cough or sneeze into a tissue, throw that tissue away. We always remember that grandmother or that older relative that carried the same Kleenex with them for a long time. That's a great way to continue to carry that virus around and spread it. So make sure that you're throwing away that tissue and washing your hands or using hand sanitizer. Those basic steps really have the potential to stop a triple pandemic from happening.
We understand that the hospitals are very busy right now during this time. So what would I do if I am sick?
If you have a life-threatening emergency, I cannot tell you enough, do not delay getting care. Know that you may have to wait, but you will be seen. We do not want anyone avoiding coming to the hospital because they're afraid that the hospital can't take care of them. Seek emergency medical care if you have an emergency. On the flip side of that, if you're feeling ill, but it is not an emergency, the use of urgent care clinics or walk-in clinics, utilize those resources that we have available. Get yourself tested. There are plenty of home test kits. If it's just that you're needing a swab or a test, those home test kits are actually really good and really useful. You can buy those from many of the commercial pharmacies and get your COVID status pretty quick. If you're feeling ill, I can't stress enough, we talk about staying home from work if you're sick, or staying home from school if you're sick, or even staying home from that family gathering if you're sick. You have the potential, if you are sick and go to a crowded room, to infect multiple individuals. We talked about that a lot during COVID, but it's important that we know not just COVID is the thing that can be spread, right? RSV, flu, and even other viruses. We see them this time of year because we're all gathering so close in crowded spaces indoors, hugging and loving on each other, which is great to do. We've missed it, but we just want to do it safely.
Alrighty, are there any closing remarks you would like to give?
Yeah, it's important to note that, we are in a lot better place than what we were 3 years ago. And I just want to highlight that. We talk about going into 2020 and what that looked like in 2021, and here we are about to move into 2023. I just want to highlight that we are in a lot better place. We have COVID vaccines, we have treatments like Paxlovid, and we have opportunities to help and save lives. So I just want to hallmark that, it sounds scary when we talk about a triple pandemic and we talk about RSV and flu and COVID, but know that we are in a lot better place. With that, it's important that we are able to celebrate with our loved ones together. And the point is to be able to celebrate together safely so that we have more years to celebrate, right? What I don't want to see as a provider is more lives lost that could have definitely been saved by easy measures like we've talked about here today. Your healthcare heroes that are full here at Sovah, ready to serve this community across both campuses. We're happy to be here and happy to help throughout the holidays. Those healthcare heroes are working no matter what day it is, Christmas Day, New Year's Day, we're here. So if you need emergency medical care, please seek it.
My name is Leanne Shelton. I'm a physical therapist assistant here at Therapy Direct. Therapy Direct is located on 301 Lavender Street, Martinsville, Virginia, 24112. Our hours are 8 to 5, Monday through Thursday, 8 to 2:30 on Friday. For more information, you can give us a call at 276-632-5281. Here at Therapy Direct, we value our patients, and your healing is our mission.